Meep meep.
No, he doesn't do meep meep.
He does meep meep. Beep beep. No, meep meep. You think it's beep beep?
It is beep beep.
No, it's meep meep. Welcome to In the Kitchen with Bite Me More. And today we are showing you how to go Mach 5 in the kitchen. If you've got the need for speed, these 5 time-saving tools are for you. Tool number 1, the Handheld Immersion blender. I am locked and loaded. Put the power in the palm of your hands.
My actual favorite tool. Literally does everything. Soups, dressings. You can puree anything with it.
Keeps your kitchen clean, no transferring into blenders and back to pot and then to blenders. And it's super easy to clean. Tool number 2, silicone baking mats. These are our kitchen magician. We're talking Spanx of the kitchen, people.
Nothing sticks to your sheet pan. You can bake cookies, you can do roasted vegetables, really anything goes.
Super durable, easy to clean, and hey, you're helping save the environment. These are reusable. Tool number 3, your Zester. Use it for the greater good. See what I did there? Tiny razor-like teeth. Make short work out of citrus, chocolate, ginger, garlic, Lisa's fingernails.
I'll pass on that one. And just nice and easy, and away we go.
Tool number 4, this is the food processor, which I call Lisa, because this is the workhorse of the kitchen.
Thank you.
This versatile, sturdy machine can do everything. It can chop, blend, slice, shred,
Dice.
puree,
Yeah.
AKA Lisa. Tool number 5. When we say it's been a slice, we're talking about the Mandoline, people. This is unbelievable. Adjustable blades and settings. It makes short work of slicing and dicing with a flick of the wrist, flick your wrist.
Flick of the wrist.
Quick, easy, uniform, and boy does it make you look good.
And safe.
And now for your bonus. Our 4 best-selling cookbooks, sure to make you the roadrunner in the kitchen. Meep meep.